Category A, objective criteria, annual performance appraisal reports or other performance appraisal tools of last 3 years. The ACR or APAR performance of the teacher for the last 4 years is as follows. 2015-16 I got outstanding, 2016-17 very good, 2017-18 very good, and 2018-19 outstanding. Some other appraisals that I have got from UT Administrator, Education Secretary Sir, Director School Education, Director SCRT, and other senior officials and principals or heads of UT Education Department and in other fields are as follows. Appraisal from His Excellency UT Administrator and Governor of Punjab Shri VP Singh Badnor in 2019. Honored by Member of Parliament Shri Pawan Kumar Bansal. Appreciated by Shri Vijay Kumar Dev, IAS, Advisor to UT Administrator. State Award for Teachers 2013 conferred upon by Honorable Education Secretary Shri VK Singh, IAS. Special Appreciation Award for developing e-content from UT Education Secretary. Appreciation Certificate from Honorable Education Secretary UT for developing Teacher's Handbook on Learning Outcomes. Appreciated by Honorable Education Secretary for working on child rights and child awareness. Phoenix team honored by Honorable Education Secretary for preparing tools for assessment of learning outcomes. Appreciated by Honorable Education Secretary Punjab for improvement of quality in education in Punjab. Appreciated by Director School Education for conducting workshop for teachers teaching maths and science under Rashtriya Avishkar Abhiyan. Appreciated by Deputy Director School Education Shri Chanchal Singh for preparation of Cashless Chandigarh, a play performed on Republic Day function at Parade Ground on 26 Jan. Appreciated by Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education MHRD for participation in 5-day Master Trainer Development Program on Nai Talim. Commendation Certificate awarded by Director SCRT for contribution in developing maths workbooks for primary classes of government schools. Appreciated by Director SCRT for acting as resource person on effective use of ICT. Appreciated by Chandigarh Commission for Protection of Child Rights for contribution in various programs conducted by CCPCR. Certificate of Appreciation by Principal Institute for Blind for working for the cause of visually impaired students of the institute. Appreciated by Central Scientific Instruments Organization and appreciated by Cluster in Charge Government Model Senior Secondary School Sector 44. Appreciated by Bharat Vikas Parishad for associated with the cause of needy and deserving students. Certificate of Appreciation by Bharat Vikas for organizing Bharat Ko Jano GK quiz. Appreciations from Headmistress Government High School for conducting Mindspark and Inter-School GK quiz. Appreciations for another 2 years from Headmistress Government High School Sector 53 for conducting Mindspark. Appreciated by Dainik Bhaskar Group and Indian Oil, and appreciated by Indian Council of Social Welfare for contribution in the field of social work. Honored by LIC Chandigarh on Teachers Day and appreciated by Parent Teacher Association Shri Guru Harkishan Model School Sector 38D Chandigarh. Appreciated by Government Model High School Sector 40 for delivering a lecture to 60 teachers of the school, and appreciated by Bharat Vikas Parishad for associating with the cause of needy students. Appreciated by principals for conducting co-curricular activities and conducting minds. Appreciated by my headmistress and principal Government Senior Secondary School Sector Behlana for Mindspark GK quiz. Appreciated by Principal Government Model Senior Secondary School Sector 40 for conducting a training program, and Principal Government Model Senior Secondary School Sector 44 for acting as a resource person. Appreciated by Principal Sector 20 for conducting orientation training program, and Principal Government Senior Secondary School Behlana for Mindspark. Appreciated by Principal Shri Guru Harkishan Model School for judgment on maths exhibition and acting as ICT resource. Appreciated by Principal Government Girls Model Senior Secondary School for acting as a resource person. And appreciated by Bharat Vikas Parishad for social work. Appreciated by Motia Blue Ridge Group for contribution in the field of education and social work. So these were few appreciations and appraisals that I have got from different fields, and the best appraisals that I could ever get as a teacher was from my students, who appreciated my efforts for training them, for imparting them general knowledge which helped them with their studies as well as in their entrance examinations. Thank you.